In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color cells in Monday.com. This powerful feature allows you to automatically highlight important information in your boards, making it much easier to track progress, identify critical tasks, and gain insights at a glance. Conditional coloring transforms your data into a visually intuitive dashboard, helping you stay organized and make quicker decisions. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to any workspace within your Monday.com account. A workspace is essentially a hub where you manage your various boards, dashboards, and work docs. Simply click on the workspace you wish to work in to access its contents. Once inside, select the specific board where you want to apply conditional coloring. This ensures that the rules you set up will apply to the relevant tasks and items you're focusing on. For instance, if you have a project management board, you'd open that board to configure its coloring. Once you are on your chosen board, look towards the top right corner. You'll find a set of 3 small dots, typically representing a More Actions or Board Menu option. This icon is your gateway to various board-level settings and features. Click on these 3 dotted lines to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains a range of options for customizing and managing your board, from exporting data to adjusting settings. Within this drop-down menu, you will see an option labeled Conditional Coloring. This is precisely what we're looking for. Go ahead and click on Conditional Coloring to open the Features Configuration panel. By selecting this option, you're telling Monday.com that you want to set up rules that will automatically apply specific colors to your cells based on predefined conditions. This is where the magic of visual organization truly begins. Now that the conditional coloring panel is open, it's time to set up your rules and implement the changes. This is where you define exactly what criteria should trigger a specific color. You'll typically be presented with an interface to add new rules. For each rule, you'll first choose a column on your board that you want to base the condition on. For example, you might select a status column, a priority column, or a date column. Next, you'll define the condition itself. If you selected the status column, your condition could be is done, is working on it, or is stuck. If it's a date column, you might set a condition for is in the past to highlight overdue items. After setting the condition, you then choose the color you want Monday.com to apply when that condition is met. You can often choose whether to color just the specific cell in the column or the entire item row, depending on what provides the most clarity for your board.